Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Philips SatinShave Essential Women's Electric Shaver for Legs, Cordless, HP630650. However, if you prefer electric shaving over a razor, this is not a bad product at all. It has a very close shave, better than most electric shavers, especially if you shave the opposite way your skin hair grows. It's not a one swipe and done type of razor, but is good for the price. If you need a simple device to shave with, save money, and buy this one over expensive ones that do have the same job. On the private parts, it can give you a pretty close shave on one side, or a pretty damned close shave on the other, but since it's so wide, it's hard to make it look uniform, or attractively done. Works better for me in the shower than dry, definitely works well for an emergency idiot and plain non-wearing shorts occasion. It works amazingly well, and it's the closest shave I've gotten with an electric razor. Feels super comfortable, and doesn't eat away at batteries. As others have mentioned, it doesn't provide a straight clean shave, it's more of a close trim. The head of the shaver has teeth for combing through longer hair, and if you hold this shaver at an angle like you would a disposable razor, you'll scratch yourself. If anyone has bought and liked, please let me know if you got it to work. Received this little shaver yesterday, and today went right over incision without a problem. Clean close shave, and there are bumps and scars as a result of being a little more clumsy than most. The only good thing about this razor is that it operates on batteries, so you do not need a cord to charge it. Also, it works quite well even if you haven't shaved for a while, and your leg hair is on the longer side. This item was disappointing, and does not provide near the results of a disposable plastic razor. Most ladies would not be able to perform this task without resorting to pliers vis grips. It is a very close shave, so you have to be careful not to shave too close, or the same spot for too long as it can burn. It doesn't give you the baby butt smoothness of a traditional razor shave, but it gets it pretty close. Doesn't shave like a razor, however, more safer. You may need to go back over where you shaved. Doesn't give a close shave like a razor, but good in a pinch for new leg stubble. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.